A major development coming in from Haryana, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, the chief of Dera Sacha Sauda, has once again been granted parole. According to reports, he has received a 30-day parole and has already walked out of Suneria jail in Rohtak amid tight security arrangement. This development has once again sparked political debate, political discussions and strong reactions on social media. Supporters are calling it a legal process, while critics are questioning the repeated temporary release granted to the convicts serving serious sentences. In a significant development from Haryana, Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has been released from Rohtak Suneria jail after being granted 30 days of parole by authorities. Heavy police deployments was seen outside the jail premises as Ram Rahim walked out under strict security cover. Authorities ensured controlled movement and increased monitoring along the route to avoid any law and order concerns. Officials have stated that all legal procedures were completed before granting the parole. According to prison rules, eligible prisoners can receive temporary release under specific conditions, and authorities insist that the decision was taken strictly within the legal framework. Ram Rahim, who was convicted in 2017 in rape cases, is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence. In addition to that, he is also serving punishment in a murder-related case. Since his convictions, he has remained lodged at Suneria jail in Rohtak. However, this is not the first time he has been released temporarily. Over the past few years, Ram Rahim has received parole and furloughed multiple times. Every such release has attracted widespread public attention and political reactions. Critics argue that the frequency of these paroles raises serious concerns, especially considering the gravity of the crimes for which he was convicted. Opposition leaders and social activists have often questioned whether ordinary prisoners receive similar relief with the same regularities. On the other hand, officials and supporters maintain that parole is not legal provision available to prisoners who meet eligible conditions. They insist that the process follow jail rules and administration's procedures. As soon as news of this release surfaced, social media platforms witnessed intense debates. Many users questioned the repeated paroles, while others defended the decisions as part of established legal rights available under prison regulations. Meanwhile, authorities have imposed several restrictions during the parole period. Officials say Ram Rahim's movement and activities will remain under monitoring, and limitations have been placed on public interaction to ensure peace and order. Security has been tightened not only around the jail but also in areas linked to his stay during the parole period. Police officials are keeping a close watch to prevent any untoward incidents or large public gathering. The issue continues to remain politically sensitive in Haryana and neighbouring states, where Dera Sacha Sauda has a significant follower base. In the past as well, Ram Rahim's paroles have generated sharp political exchanges and public debates. For now, Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh is expected to remain out of on parole for the next 30 days. Unless there is any further legal development, he is expected to return to jail after the parole period ends. So once again, the parole granted to Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has become a major talking point across Haryana and beyond. While authorities described it as a routine legal process, critics continue to question the repeated temporary release given the seriousness of the convictions involved. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.